Nature. Beautiful. Deadly. Sexual. This is the outside. In the woods is nature. Let's see what we can see. This tree's commit suicide. Probably because the woods are so fucking boring. An old murderer's chair. Don't make them like this anymore. 25 murders, they say, in this chair. 25. An old porno DVD. This one must have been trying to escape the internet. Always put it back where you found it, or the mother might not take it back. The old sex shed. Doors broken. No sex tonight. This pipe sprouted from the ground. They only normally do this during mating season. Must be a female nearby. There she is, hiding in the bushes. This cat just got its period. Disgusting. Get away from me. This duck's got 27 babies from 3 different fathers. Not the proudest duck on the pond. Piss off. An ostrich. Fish for dinner tonight. No, this one's gay. Throw him back. Nature. Brilliant.